Alright, I am recording.
You're recording?
Meow. Guess who's here with me?
Who?
Jester.
Jester?
It's Jester. Say hi.
Hi!
It's a Jester. It's a Jester. She's a burn.
Who's a boy?
Coco. So the password will be Coco123.
Coco 1, 2, 3.
Capital K's, lowercase O's.
Okie dokie. I was making some perks.
I have a ton of XP, I just haven't spent it on anything.
Huh.
Alright, the lobby is ready.
I'm here!
Yay! We are playing.
Yay! I like how we're not doing our intros. But it's okay, we don't have to.
Hello, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, and children of all ages. It's your boy, B Streams, aka B Storm, aka Brandon, bringing you guys another episode of Puppet Master with my wife. Go ahead and do your thing.
Hey!
Again?
Ow! Hi!
Again?
Hi.
That is my wife. I'm going to be... I'm going to be Tunneler.
I'm being great.
I cannot pick the Capitron. I forgot how you fix that.
I think you have... I think?
Because you fixed it last time. I don't know how you did it.
Oh! Yeah, I know what to do now.
We'll worry about it later.
Oh! Yeah, after this match, I'll show you. Because your... What the fuck just happened with my thing?
Uh-oh.
I can just see you running. You're like, eh.
If you see me stop, it's because Coco is attacking my arm. Hello, Coco.
I'm coming. God dang it, that's the bathroom. Is he shooting at you?
I don't know.
He's in the... I think he might be going in the puppeteer room.
If you use your evil eye, we can see him. I don't know if it's still on, it's on cooldown. You gotta tell me where it's at.
It's on cooldown. I think he just went... He's in the back room, I think.
When you use evil eye, don't forget that it doesn't mark it for all. It only marks it for you.
Yeah, no, that... I see him. He's right in front of me.
I have him stunned.
Oh, he ragdolled me.
Yeah, he ragdolled both of us. I guess he got both of us in that one kick.
Where'd he go? Oh, he's right there.
I have him.
He ragdolled me again.
Alright, I got him. No, I don't. I'm reloading my head.
I see you running after it. I'm coming.
Don't forget you can dash.
He kicked me again.
I got him.
I'm trying to get up as fast as I can.
Reloading my head.
Reloading my head. I like how you're running after it.
That's our job. We're the speedy puppets. We gotta stay on them. I think they reset the they reset the sound. Hold up, I gotta fix the sound. It's like back to master volume. Hold up. Let's drop that down to like 60. See how that goes.
Where'd he go?
I don't know. I had to fix the
I'm gonna
sound.
use my Eva. He's going into that hallway where the elevator is.
Okay.
Oh, he's right here?
I see him. He's right here.
He kicked me.
We both got kicked there.
I know. I like how your body's like right beside me, but he had
Coco
no head.
is becoming a ball.
He's going into the puppeteer room. No, he's coming out. He's coming.
I got turned around.
I got him. He's coming right after you.
No, I'm reloading my head. I had to catch Coco from falling off my lap. I'm going for health. Screw him for him. Screw him for now. Go find health in the tunnels or in the vents. No. Where are you going?
There better be no fucking totems in this fucking.
There's no totems in.
Oh yeah, I'm dumb. I hate those fuckers. Even though they're supposed to come into the game.
I can't wait. I can't wait to see what they do with this game next.
Yeah. Apparently, totems were supposed to come this month. I'm not too sure.
I have to look at the roadmap again.
I'm looking for help.
I found him. The Dominator is available. What is the Dominator?
I don't even know.
Wait a minute.
What do you mean, wait a minute?
It said the Dominator is available. What the fuck is the That's something new. That was for us, I think.
I think it was for us.
Yeah, no, I'm trying to figure out what the hell that is.
I like Blade's little jump sound. He went.
I like how we're playing as two of the fastest puppets and we can deal a lot of damage too.
What the fuck is he shooting me through this wall for?
Puppeteer room. Back puppeteer room.
I'm coming.
I gotta reload my head. He's coming back out, I think.
He kicked me.
He's trying to shoot me. He's missing. I got him stun locked.
I'll get up as fast as I can. He bounced me.
I'm going. He's coming back. I got him. I kept him from healing. That's all that matters.
I got him down.
I'm getting up. Nice.
He kicked me.
Sorry. I'm doing damage to him.
He kicked me again.
Go find some health. I'll keep on him.
Okay.
I think he just ran out of ammo.
I'm gonna laugh if he did.
He's right here where I'm at. Only come back if you got health, though. I kicked him.
I got health. Where did he go? I see him. He got stuck on a chair and then just like ran away.
Where is he at? By you?
He's in the puppeteer with me.
Cutting him off.
He's coming out.
I see him. I couldn't get my drill started in time, but I'll catch up to him. Or not. Yeah, he's getting away.
He's down this hall.
He's right here. I got him. Stun locked. He's down.
Damn it!
I'm trying to stay away from his feet. I'm reloading my head. Damn it! He's gonna get up, I think, here in a second.
God dang it.
I hit a chair.
You hit a chair?
Yeah, I hit a chair. I lost him.
I hear him.
He's puppeteer room.
I see him.
He's back here. He's missing his shots. Not on you though. He's fucked you up. You might want to go get health.
Yeah, go.
Because he's still healthy right now. I'm doing my damage. Oh, he's about to be down. Ah, he's so close to being down, but I gotta reload my head. That's such a funny thing to say.
I gotta reload my head.
I missed him. He's healing right now.
That did it. Oh, come on.
He's coming back out. I got him.
Come on.
He pretty much got all of his health back though. Get your health back, baby.
I know. I'm trying to find where the health is. I found it.
He's right behind you. He's right behind you. He's in this room. Come on. Yep, right here. Right here. Come back out. Come back out. Oh, you haven't found any health yet. Go get health.
No.
Oh, shit. My bad.
I found it. I
thought you found health. That's why I told you to come back.
No, that's what I was like. I haven't found health yet. And you're like, he's like, he's right here, he's right here. I'm like, what? I got him. Coming. I like how he goes down that hallway and he just doesn't.
Son of a bitch! Alright. Yeah, hiss at him. He's so close to death. He double kicked us. Shit. I see your legs all broken. No, he kicked me. Oh, but I got that regen time. There we go. No, I'm reloading my head. No!
No, he kicked me!
You little bitch. If I wasn't reloading my head, it would have been good. No, he's gonna kill me. He's gonna kill me. Yeah. Damn it.
Okay, never mind.
Hey, they got spectating now? What the hell?
Yeah, they got spectating now.
Nice, I can spectate you. Oh, there's a respawn time before you can even spawn back. Okay. Oh, wait a minute. I think when it said the Dominator is ready,
yeah,
it was talking about the Cabatron being unlocked. I think they have him locked at the start of the game. Ah.
I'm fucking dead.
I wonder if they nerfed the Capatron.
I'm gonna cry if they did.
The Capatron, his time has come.
Oh, I died.
I was gonna save. No, he's still broken. Yeah, he's still broken. Are you spectating me?
Yeah. It's over anyway.
Yeah, he's still broken.
I like how it spawned me right after you got him.
So I think when it says, I think he's locked until like, yeah, he's locked until like a certain time limit is over. That makes him more balanced because he's actually broken.
No, but there is a way to fix that.
Yeah, no, I know you can put the timer all the way down so you can pick him at the start, but I don't want to do that. I think it's
but
fine.
I think 240 is a little bit too much.
No. Plus, if I did that, all I would pick would be him.
Huh.
So I think to keep it fair to the other puppets, let's keep it here. 6-shooter used to be your main. Is 6-shooter still your main?
Yeah.
Okay. Because Tunneler, Blade, and Blade are mine.
6-shooter. I think the Capatron might be my main, my new main, and Leech Woman.
Pinhead is still really strong as well. They're all really strong.
Yeah, they're all really strong. I mean, the Capatron is kind of
broken.
broken, but
Blade is so fucking quick, man.
I don't know.
It makes sense for Blade to be quick too because he is technically the quickest puppet in the series too.
I already found him. He's already. Aw, you fucker!
Where did he go?
I got him down.
Well,
Coco just came busting into the door like, hey.
Yeah, no, she just left me.
Ah, he kicked me. I like how he seen me throw my lasso down, and he's like, fuck this, I'm out. Hey, baby. Hi, baby. Hey, hi, Jester. Hi, Jester.
He's right here in this hallway with me. Ow!
He kicked you?
Yep.
I got a weed. Distracting me?
I
Are
know.
you distracting me?
She was just.
Why are you
She's
distracting
working for the enemy.
You're working for the enemy. That's not nice. Coming.
I barely dodged to get away from. I'm gonna have to go find help.
Okay. If he comes back around, he's gonna get. Ah! Ow!
If he comes back around, he's gonna get. Ow!
She bit me.
She just got done biting my fingers.
That's how it's like. I was in the middle of talking as I said, "Ow!" God damn it! You're gonna get lassoed. Yeah, you got lassoed, bitch. Get lassoed. Don't fucking kick me. Where the fuck are you going, you dumb bitch? Yeah, you keep going to the same spot. You don't. He kicked me.
I like how you sounded so offended.
Okay, he's almost dead. Get lassoed, bitch. Help, 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 help. Reloading. No, he's healing.
He's
He's
dead.
down, he's down, he's down. God! Okay.
Dealing
Dang it.
damage, dealing damage.
I got Coco just forged in like, hey, what's up?
And then she left me. She just got done rubbing my legs.
Where'd she go?
I got kicked again.
Like how he's pointing at you. And he hasn't gone to the back room yet. He hasn't got... he ran. I lost fucking track of him.
He hasn't gone to the back
Nope.
rooms.
Yeah, he hasn't gone to the back room. You know where the puppeteer room is?
Yeah.
Yeah, you kicked the wall, buddy.
He was trying to
Get
kick my
lassoed.
ass.
Get lassoed.
Well.
Hey, Coco.
Well,
Did you die?
he kicked me in the head.
God dang it.
Look at him crawl.
Oh, I don't know where his health bar went. There we go. No! I was low!
Are you dead?
No.
Oh.
Now I'm dead!
Did you die?
Yeah.
I like how you're like, now I'm dead.
Like how it said I was ragdolled and they died.
The Dominator is now available.
Let's do this, bitch. You got beef. You got beef.
Well, put him down.
Fuck. Where'd he go?
That is
He got
that is the most broken fucking. Oh, he's right here.
He kicked me mid-change of my head.
Well, the no, use his lightning because it stuns. There you go. Ow.
Where'd he go?
There you go.
I got him from afar.
One more hit, or a couple more hits.
He kicked me.
I'm shredding his health bar. Come get the execution.
The Capitron, his time has come.
I have the golden head, which looks fucking cool.
I like how you were like. I like how I'm in you.
It's a magic.
Again!
My drill head was inside your. I don't want to talk about it.
Oh.
Up your ass. Yeah, the Capitron is busted. Like that's why I like to leave him alive. I like how you came out going, "We have beef."
I don't know.
Gotta turn the music
Because he
down.
killed me as fucking... As fucking... a 6-shooter. Hello?
Hello?
What are you doing?
Changing the map. Let's go Rick's lab.
Oh! Oh, this is the new one, I forgot, yeah.
Well, it's like 2 months old almost.
Oh yeah, I'm dumb.
They haven't been keeping up with the content, so it's kind of hard to keep playing. Like, you know.
Well, it's just because you know they're a small team,
Yeah, they're a small team.
and yeah.
And-
Okay,
and
I
they-
will be.
And they're doing this for free.
I am Chiksuto.
You are.
Like a week just came busting into the door, like, hey, what's up?
Let's do it. What the hell happened to my screen? There we go. Okay, we are 2 slow characters, so...
I'm outside for some reason. I should have just been Blade, I'm dumb.
No, it's fine. I didn't realize who you were going to pick, but I picked Pinhead first. This should still be okay.
Okay, well, I'm putting a lasso in the middle right here. And he already found the fucking artifact.
It's alright.
I got him. He ran back into the room that now he's he's so lost.
I got him down. I knocked him with a brick.
He's down already. I like how you can zoom in with 6-shooter now.
He's hurt.
Where'd he go?
I barely missed him.
I barely got him with the lasso. He doesn't know where to go.
Pummel him! He's so hurt. I like how he gave up there. He just kind of like stopped moving.
I think he's trying to fucking. He's trying to kick. He kicked me.
I hit him with a brick.
I got him. God dang it, you kicked me.
Look how he used the door when he was down.
He killed me. Well, I got a lasso anyway, so. Like how you bricked him.
Damn it, come back.
I see. All I see is freaking Pinhead running.
Run in, run in, run in, run in.
I'm coming.
He's coming through here.
Well, once I see him, I can fucking electrocute him, and I like the Capuchon.
Yeah, he's broken.
He's broken, but where'd it go? Ah, you son of a bitch! He was where we were. Where'd he go? What?
Coco's talking to me, or Jester's talking to me.
What did she say?
She said meow, meow, meow.
Jesto?
Come here. Come here. Uh-oh. Put him down.
I missed!
Is he going to win?
He kicked me!
Well, get up and shock him. He couldn't make up his mind. Where are you going? There you go. What the fuck happened to his legs? Yeah, just keep fucking him up with the lightning attack. Yeah, that's... Yep. He's gonna die.
I missed him. Oh! He kicked me mid... Where'd he go?
I hit him in the kneecap with a pinch. Or with a wrench.
Are you fucking kidding me?
You barely missed. Fuck! Yeah, you can't kick me, bitch. I just keep... Yeah, there you go.
I go.
One more shock. There you go. Come on. No, you missed. Don't get too close. I think you're missing.
Nope.
There we go. Well, I'm not even... There we go.
I go. Hey, no.
The animation broke there for a second.
I know, I seen him. Dang. What the fuck, Coco? Babe.
What'd she do? Uh-oh, let's go find out what happened.
Guess what the wheat did? Guess what the wheat did?
Anyway, let's end the video because we got plenty of footage. Okay, that was a crazy ending to our Puppet Master game or Puppet Master video. I won't go into it, but our cat is crazy. And yeah, as always, my friends, have a nice day every day. Peace and love, you guys. Goodbye and good night.
Bye.